Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2015 Ford Focus, and we're going to go over how you'd replace your headlights. We've got our headlights here. We've got the high beam in the middle and the low beam and daytime running right there, and we got our turn indicator. Turn indicator is a LED as well as these little motions around there, and the lights are these two lights are replaceable. But if this LED goes bad or anything else, you replace that whole housing. And then we have the fog light down there, and that can be replaced also. So we have the fog light on the bottom, and our regular daytime and headlights are on. So we'll go over those processes to be able to replace any of those lights. So the simplest one is if you need to replace your fog light. You can either remove the little front splash shield, or we'll just go out from the access from the inner wheel well. Alright, so from the wheel well here, we would have some clips to undo from the bottom here. These are already undone. And now we can pull this back a little bit, and we see access for that light. You'll want to undo the electric connector. Alright, the electric connection is undone. Let's get my whole hand in the way. Now we twist this quarter turn to the left to be able to pull out that light bulb. It's an H8, so you'd get a new H8 for your fog lights and to be able to put a new one in there. Now you'll notice on the light we have different size tabs, so it's going to really only have one direction to go in. So about 45 to the right hand side. Turn that a quarter turn down to lock it into place, and then be able to connect our electric connector back up, and now be able to put this shield back into place. And so that's how you replace your fog light on your 2015 Ford Focus. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.